Hi, my name's Josh, and I'm excited to show you how to use your brand new Spike Oxygenation Kit.
The Oxygenation Kit comes fully assembled. If you buy the O2 kit bundle, a carb stone, gas post, clamp, and gasket will be included in the same box. If you have a new carb stone, be sure to wrap the threads of the gas post in Teflon tape and screw it onto the carb stone with a wrench. Not included with the Oxygenation Kit is the oxygen tank. The kit is designed to work with a standard red oxygen tank. You can find these at your local hardware store. We estimate that one tank can oxygenate up to 200 gallons of wort. Once your wort is cooled to your yeast's pitch temperature, you're ready to oxygenate. Grab your carb stone and sanitize the inside and TC flange. Also sanitize the racking valve, clamp, and gasket. Attach the carb stone to your fermenter. Now grab your oxygenation kit and set the flow rate to 0. Screw your O2 canister onto the threads of the oxygenation kit. Note that O2 tanks use a left-hand thread, so you will turn it counterclockwise to tighten. You may briefly hear a hiss from the O2 tank as it is engaged by the oxygenation kit. Continue to tighten and the hiss will stop. Connect the quick connect on the oxygenation kit to the gas post on the carb stone. Adjust the flow rate on the manifold to 1/4 liters per minute. Then, open the racking valve, leaving open for 30 seconds per gallon of wort. This rate and time will result in the ideal amount of dissolved oxygen in the wort, creating happy yeast. While you do this, make sure that the blow-off hose at the top of the conical is inserted into your sanitizer bucket so you don't create excess pressure in the conical. Once you have finished oxygenating, close the racking valve. Then set the flow rate to 0, disconnect the oxygen tank, and store the oxygen tank per its manufacturer's recommendations. Disconnect the carb stone and spray the outside of the butterfly valve down with sanitizer. Clean the carb stone by soaking it in brewery wash or similar product. After you oxygenate, you're ready to pitch your yeast and begin fermentation.
Well, there you have it, the Spike Oxygenation Kit. I was glad to show you guys how to use it. If you have any more questions, please reach out to our customer service team. They'd love to help you find solutions. If you're looking for more great Spike content, go to our website or our YouTube channel. I'll see you there.